In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create memes with Canva. Memes have taken the internet by storm, a fun yet powerful tool for communication and self-expression. Whether you're looking to make someone laugh or share a witty observation, mastering meme creation can be a valuable skill in your digital toolbox. And today we'll be using Canva, a fabulous user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of meme making. So let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, type the word meme in the search bar. This will bring up a vast selection of meme templates that you can choose from. The important thing here is to take your time and browse through these templates. You will find a wide variety, ranging from classic memes to more contemporary styles. Picking the right template gives you the perfect backdrop for your creative expression, so don't rush this part. Find something that resonates with the message or humour you intend to convey. Once you've chosen your template, click on it and you'll see an option to customize this template. This action will direct you to Canva's design interface. It's a dynamic space where you can tweak the template to your heart's content. This is where the real fun begins. By customizing a meme template, you can personalize it with your style, making sure it stands out among the sea of memes floating around the internet. Now, let's move on to editing the text. The text is crucial as it's where the humor or message comes to life. Click on the text element you want to modify. Feel free to change the font, size and color to align with the vibe of your meme. Maybe you're going for something bold and eye-catching, or perhaps something subtle and understated. The choice is yours. And don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. Experimentation is key to finding what works best for your content. Finally, don't forget to save your creation. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the download button in the upper right corner and select your preferred file type. JPEG or PNG are both great options for sharing online. Once downloaded, your meme is ready to be shared with the world. You can post it on social media, send it in a message, or even use it in a presentation. There you have it, a simple and effective way to create memes using Canva. The next time you have a funny idea, or need to make a point with a punchline, Canva will have your back. With just a few clicks, you can share your sense of humor with others, and who knows, maybe even go viral. Enjoy your meme making journey and have fun bringing your creativity to life.